Have you ever wondered how the landscape of web entrepreneurship has evolved over time? The digital realm has seen a remarkable evolution of web entrepreneurs, or webpreneurs as they're often called. These webpreneurs have played a pivotal role in shaping the online world we know today. The first generation of webpreneurs, according to Dr. Hwa A included people like Mark Andreessen, the founder of Netscape. They were the trailblazers before the concept of an internet startup even existed. This generation had a strong kinship with the computer nerds of the 80s, such as Bill Gates of Microsoft, Steve Jobs of Apple, and Larry Ellison of Oracle. They were the mavericks, the dropouts and misfits who dared to dream and create. Following them were the second generation webpreneurs. They were the true pioneers of the internet era. This group included the likes of Jerry Yang and David Filo of Yahoo, Steve Case of AOL, Jeff Bezos of Amazon, and Pierre Omidyar of eBay. They were mostly Ivy League educated geeks who enjoyed challenging the conventions of old economy companies. They played by modern Silicon Valley rules, raising hundreds of millions and achieving celebrated public market success. Then came the third generation of webpreneurs, a small sandwich generation represented by companies like Google and PayPal. They launched their businesses at the height of the bubble amidst worldwide enthusiasm. Unlike many others, they had real businesses that survived the crash and still came out on top. They valued good engineering above all else, not sales, business development, or the allure of IPOs. Finally, the fourth generation of webpreneurs emerged around 2002 with the advent of Web 2.0. This generation consisted of individuals like Mina and Ben from Six Apart, Kevin Rose from Dig, Brad Fitzpatrick from LiveJournal, and Mark Zuckerberg from Facebook. Most of them had finished college with a few exceptions. They were young enough to be employees and shareholders during the Web 1.0 wave, but old enough to witness the dot-com boom and bust. They liked computers, but they belonged to a generation where liking computers started to become okay, even socially acceptable. They were hip, irreverent, yet savvy and cautious. The Web 2.0 movement, largely steered by this fourth generation, took the powerful idea of community and made it legal, palatable, and easy for a mass market. In summary, the evolution of webpreneurs has seen four distinct generations, each with their unique characteristics and contributions. From the mavericks of the first generation to the savvy, cautious webpreneurs of the fourth generation, these individuals have shaped the digital landscape and continue to influence the world of entrepreneurship.